So
excited. We saw the giraffe.
we are off to Pretoria. We are marching to Pretoria.
Or driving.
Driving.
Okay, so we've just arrived at Windy Brow. So we have to go through the 2 poles.
Don't have to.
We have to. See,
No.
that's so you can have a good hike.
It's just like a good luck thing.
Yeah.
So we've decided to take the white. This is 5k. There's the mine.
The famous Cullinan diamond.
So that's where that big diamond, one of the biggest in the world, was found. And we were talking about it earlier. And we were like, I wonder where it is now. And we're thinking it's at with the Queen, with the crown jewels.
Yeah.
Now we're going to try and smash the archaeology trail. Okay, isn't it down here? It says follow the path, the things.
Well, no, we both ways. We've got 2 routes.
Okay, I think you're right. We're getting lost already. Uh-oh.
It's not really clearly marked though, because there were 2 pathways, so how do we know where to go?
This is not a great start, but... Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go see now if this is the right way. Okay, Whitefoot on the right way.
Thank goodness we turned back.
Yeah. We might have been in a bit of a pickle.
Can I just tell you something? If we're really getting lost on trails, can you imagine when we travel the world? We don't have little white feet and green feet and like red feet.
There's another Whitefoot.
So today's Father's Day. It's a bit of a bittersweet moment for us. We lost Adam's dad, so we're thinking of him today, and everyone else that has dads who they've lost or whatever the case is. We're thinking of you guys. And after this we get to go to my mom. She's been my dad. This is winter. Like, how amazing. This is very like game reserve vibes, which
Yes.
for our overseas people it's safari vibes. You can actually go on a safari here. They've got 15 mammals, which is quite cool, and obviously none of them are dangerous because else we wouldn't be able to walk through here.
I mean, we're going to do a whole little 360, and as you'll see, it's literally just bush, 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 and guess what? More bush.
We're doing a B-roll shot, and I think Adam's seen an animal. Wait. Oh, man, what the hell? And all he saw was a cactus. I thought it was an animal. Man. I really want to see a giraffe, like badly.
There's a giraffe.
No, man, it's a tree.
Okay, so we've come across the watering hole here. Hey, guess what? More bush. Even Kelby's taken to just taking selfies now. Must be getting some elevation going here.
No, but I was I feel.
Hey, time for a little bite to eat.
Yay, I'm so hungry.
So we found a little bit of shade here so we can have a little bite.
And with a view.
And coming to the end of the trail now.
No animals.
Wait, I hear something. There. Here. I heard them galloping. There, giraffes. There. Some giraffes here in the... It's a shame we're not so close enough to actually see them better. Okay, so we just saw some giraffe galloping by us. What we're going to try and do is get down this hill as quick as possible.
Our 5 kilometer hike is not going to be 5 kilometers.
That's become the norm for us now, hey? So, it's like we're tracking these things like we're professionals. Okay, so we've spotted the giraffe. We're going to try and sneak up onto them. So,
I feel like a child. They were galloping like, it literally sounded like horses were like charging. That's how it
loud.
sounded. And how many were there? There were like 6.
There's quite a lot of them, so looks like there's a couple of babies. What they call them, calves. Calves.
Look here, yeah, they all are.
Yeah,
And
so.
let's just stop here.
Okay, so we found the giraffes. So we're now walking very slow. They're all chilling there. Swing it round so you can check it out.
Quickly.
Check. Yeah, you see the one right here, and then behind us here, quite a few. Decided to leave him alone. Back on saying bye-bye to the giraffes.
See ya. Thanks for the show.
And this is the heat that's pounding us now. It's quite hot.
I think we're coming to the end, but as we were walking through the bushes, we were trying to actually be quiet. We keep hearing the animals, but I think because the bush is so dense, you actually can't see them. You just hear them running away.
Yeah, I must say, better than expected, to be honest.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, we expected it to be like
Exactly.
But
Our
then-
expectations were high.
mm,
For me, I feel like the first 3 kilometers were crap. Like, completely crap. Just flat and nothing around it. And then it started getting very interesting.
definitely like towards the end it really got nice, cool. You know, obviously seeing the giraffe, and then starting to go more up into the hillsides, and
The hills have animals.
yeah, the hills have eyes.
No, they have animals. They're all looking at us.
Doesn't
So
matter.
awkward, guys, filming when people are looking at you. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, please comment below if you've ever been to Windybrow, what your experience was, have you seen animals, and let us know if there's any place that you want us to go and hike at. We'll see you guys soon.
Thanks for watching. One love.
One love.
Joys of filming. Let's come all the way back for this. Oh, shit.
Ah! You didn't tell me!
I wasn't looking, I was checking down here.
Oh!
Yeah, it's literally like path. Ooh. And just as I'm saying that, pathways, I'll trip over a freaking rock. Ooh. Okay, it's not that bad actually.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
What are you supposed to do?
Swing on to go to each level. That's what I said, I think maybe you must do this.
Nah, I think it's, you don't do it like that.
How do you do it then?
I don't know.
Woo! Woo!
Now maybe give it a skip. You're gonna have to edit the cock out of it because I'm repeating myself so much. But yeah, we'll find the track. Bleep bleep.